The new device just arrived! It's AYANEO's latest Konkr Pocket Advance, also known as the KPA, an Android retro handheld console that pays homage to the classic GBA design. Starts at 499 yuan. Alright, let's cut to the chase and see what this actual device is all about. The one I have here is the coral orange color. It also comes in navy blue and legacy gray. And at first glance, that retro feel is fully delivered. Its dimensions are 151 by 82 by 22 millimeters, and it weighs 224 grams. When you pick it up, it definitely feels quite substantial in your hand, a satisfying heft. Its dimensions are remarkably close to the original GBAs, and the device's body also features an ergonomic, inwardly curved design. The shell has a frosted, non-slip material. The grip feel is very solid, and it fits in your pocket with no problem. Okay, the front features a 3.5-inch 3:2 LCD screen with a 960 by 640 resolution. It offers 4x pixel-perfect scaling, ideal for GBA's native aspect ratio, ensuring old games aren't stretched or distorted. This is a crucial point for retro gamers. Okay, for the buttons, we have a conductive rubber D-pad and ABXY buttons. The button feedback is very crisp. Up top, besides L1 and R1, it also has separate L2 and R2 shoulder buttons. This is enough for playing PS2 and NDS emulators, so you won't need an external controller. Now let's take a look at the interfaces. Looking at the bottom, there's a Type-C fast charging port, and over here we have the TF card slot, 2 speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack, plus a physical volume scroll wheel. That's quite a retro touch. And then, on its back, it features an active cooling fan, which is truly fantastic. It's powered by a G90T processor running on the Android operating system. Performance-wise, it can run a PS2 emulator at its highest settings with no problem. Okay, let's just quickly boot up this GBA game then. The D-pad movement feels really nice, offering precise control, and the button rebound is very responsive. With a 4000 mAh battery for a nostalgia-focused handheld like this, the battery life is sufficient for daily use. It runs on Android, supports Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect controllers via Bluetooth, install various emulators, offering great freedom. And now, what I'm about to show everyone is Pokemon Emerald. It's pretty good. Alright, the next game we're checking out is Fire Emblem, which is also a very classic GBA title. The display of this LCD screen is still very good. Next, I'll show you a native Android game, Lutz Tekken 4. Its performance is also quite remarkable, delivering really good results and an excellent overall experience. Since it's an Android system with Wi-Fi, watching Bilibili is absolutely no problem. This is a video William recorded earlier. Alright, now that the game tests are complete, let's briefly go over my thoughts on this device. First, the retro GBA design and feel are on point. The 3:2 pixel-perfect LCD screen makes playing GBA games genuinely comfortable. With full shoulder buttons and G90T performance, it supports most retro platforms. All ports, including a headphone jack and TF card expansion, are available. The fan cooling keeps the performance stable and is less prone to throttling. Its clear positioning is also a plus. If you're a GBA nostalgic, keen on retro emulators, and want a physical handheld, not just phone emulation, this device is made for that exact need. If you mainly want to play demanding PS2 blockbusters, then don't get your hopes up. It's better suited for GBA, arcade, and PS1 games. Alright, that concludes our AYANEO Konkr Pocket Advance unboxing review. I'll be doing more emulator game tests later on, so if you want to see more of its performance, be sure to follow William. So, do you think this design is worth the price? Let's talk about it in the comments. See you next time!